In this video, you will learn how you can delete your Instagram account from your Android mobile. So first of all, you need to open the Instagram app with your account you want to delete signed in. Then you need to go to this top right hand side and go to the settings at the bottom. And in the settings page, you need to come down and you need to click the help center in the support section. And over here in the help center, you need to select this second option, which is managing your account. And in managing your account, you need to again select the second option, which says delete your account. And in the delete your account, you need to again select the second question, and which is how do I delete my account? And in this, you have to select the first option, which says go to the delete your account page. So it will open the Chrome browser or the browser which you have installed, and you need to sign in your Instagram account again. Okay, once you sign in, you will see this delete your account page, and then they will advise you to maybe protect your data, but they'll ask you this question that why are you deleting your account. So you can select the answer from the drop down menus, or if you're not interested, then you can just click the last one which says something else. And you need to again re-enter your password to finally confirm deleting your account. So once you're done, you just need to press this permanently delete my account. Last warning from the Instagram, are you sure you want to delete your account? Say yes and press the OK. And now you can see that your account has been removed. This is how you can delete Instagram account from your Android mobile.